Hello, today we will be finding out how to add categories or items to the gradebook in D2L. So first we're going to go to grades, and then we are going to go to manage grades over here, and then we're going to go to new, and we're going to select category. So we're going to type a name, and we're going to call this category 1, and we're going to hit save and close, and there we are. We have our category there. So we can go ahead and enter this category. And from here, we can continue to edit it if we wanted to change its name. So I'm just going to hit cancel and back out of there. And I'm going to do another new. And this time I'm going to hit item. And let's go ahead and pick numeric. So we are going to enter our maximum points down here, and also type in the name. So for let's do 20 points, and let's type in a name, and let's call this assignment 1, and we're going to go ahead and save and close. There we go. We have category 1 and we have assignment 1. Alright, so we can go ahead and go select more actions, and from here we can reorder whatever we want here. So we can change category 1 and assignment 1. I can move this down here and this up. So when I save that, I now have assignment 1 above category 1, so you can change it to whatever order you want.